The Quotex sure-shot strategy is a popular approach among binary options traders that combines technical analysis, trend following, and precise entry points to maximize profits. This strategy focuses on identifying profitable market trends, using reliable indicators, and minimizing risk to improve the chances of successful trades. The first step in the sure-shot strategy is trend analysis. Traders begin by identifying whether the market is in an uptrend, bullish, or a downtrend, bearish. Commonly used tools for this include moving averages, MA, and the relative strength index, RSI. Moving averages smooth out price data, helping traders identify the overall market direction, while the RSI indicates whether the asset is overbought or oversold, showing the strength of the trend. The strategy suggests that traders should always trade in the direction of the prevailing trend to increase the likelihood of a profitable outcome. Once the trend is identified, the next key element is determining the best entry points. Support and resistance levels are essential here. These levels represent price points where the market typically reverses or consolidates. Identifying these levels helps traders anticipate price stalls or reversals, giving them the opportunity to enter trades at favorable moments. Additionally, candlestick patterns like engulfing candles, pin bars, and doji candles provide insights into market sentiment. For example, an engulfing candle pattern, where a large candle completely engulfs the previous one, indicates strong momentum in the direction of the new trend. By combining candlestick patterns with trend analysis and support chart resistance levels, traders can refine their entry points and increase their chances of success. The sure-shot strategy also emphasizes risk management, which is critical to long-term profitability. Proper risk management ensures that traders can survive losing trades without depleting their capital. One essential risk management tool is setting stop-loss levels, predetermined points at which a trader exits a trade if it goes against them. This helps minimize losses. The 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio is another crucial aspect, where traders aim to make at least twice as much as they risk on each trade. For example, if a trader risks $1, they aim to make $2, ensuring that even if they experience a few losses, their overall profitability remains intact. Timing is also critical in the sure-shot strategy, as it involves trading on shorter time frames, such as 1-minute or 5-minute charts. These time frames allow traders to take advantage of small price movements and execute quick trades. However, this requires precision and quick decision-making, as the market can change rapidly. Traders must identify trends and patterns quickly to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. While the Quotex sure-shot strategy can be highly effective, patience and discipline are essential. Traders are advised to backtest the strategy on a demo account to gain confidence and experience before using it in live market conditions. By combining technical analysis, sound risk management, and discipline, traders can improve their chances of success in binary options trading. Consistently applying this strategy can lead to more profitable and less risky trading in the long run.